So hey guys, welcome to my honest review on Buzzious. So if you are searching for a detailed information on this one-click news builder tool, then you are at the correct place now. So here in the Buzzious review, I will explain all its features, working process, how you can make money with it. It's pricing with complete pros and cons. So stay with me till the end in this review. So Buzzious is the brand new and revolutionary all-in-one news site builder which will help you to launch fully optimized and fully monetized viral sites instantly with trending contents and videos to drive huge traffic, engagement, leads and profits. It's a web-based application with a complete unique angle to help business owners and marketers to generate leads, viral traffic by creating news website. This tool is specially for all affiliate marketer, digital marketer and for many others who are interested in overnight passive income. Before seeing its features, let's take a quick overview of this product. So the creator is Eric Homeland, the product name is Buzzious. The launch date will be tomorrow, that is 7th May 2021. Launch time will be 11 EDT. Official website is the first link in my description. Then front end price will be $27. You will get huge bonuses with it. Skills required all levels including newbie marketers, and there will be 30 days money back guarantee. So now let's discuss what are you going to have within this all-in-one news site builder. So it enables users to create unlimited viral news sites. You can search tons of viral trending articles within it. You will get a free subdomains for each viral sites. You can add your own custom domains for branding. You can optimize sites and URLs for search engines. You can monetize your sites. You can integrate with Google Analytics to track traffic. You can build your navigation sliders, fonts, etc. You can add unlimited pages or posts. You can create unlimited video posts. You can capture visitors' emails. You can manage registered emails. You can manage and send newsletters to increase the email marketing. You will get one-click adding voting poll, easy to update categories, posts, site search, etc. You can easily manage comments, contact messages and reply them directly. You can add your links and social sharing buttons in post. So this means you can turn your hobbies and interests into passive income machine. So now let's look who should go for it now. So Buzzious is the world-class and most advanced all-in-one news site builder software that will really help you to launch your fully monetized viral sites within one click. As I have previously mentioned that this suite is specially designed and developed for all who are really interested to earn money online without putting much efforts on marketing, content creation and paid ads. So below I have provided the list of professionals who must go for this fabulous news builder software right now. So the bloggers, webmasters, affiliate marketers, digital marketers, website builders, agency owners, newbies and many others who really want to earn money. If you are anyone from the above mentioned list, then congratulations, this life-changing software is only made for you. Well, let's come down to the next section of my video where you will get complete idea and information about its pricing one-time offers. So first is front end, which is fully functional Buzzious app with all advanced features. So in front end you can create up to 50 viral sites with subdomains. You can add AdSense and profits for every click. You can add Google Analytics. You will get custom RSS feed to pull fresh content from top sources. You will get built-in lead generation system, cookies like GDPR and compliant sites, and so much more in the front end. Next is Buzzious Elite Edition, which is the one-time offer of Buzzious. You can get unlimited viral sites, create video posts by any YouTube video or Vimeo video. You can add multilingual system. You will get 10 layouts colors for each site. You can add unlimited voting polls. You will get social login via Facebook and Google's. You can add your own custom domains for branding. You will share your social profile option with social media link support and so much more. Second one-time offer is Buzzious Resell Right. Resell rights allows you to sell Buzzious to your customers and keep 100% of the profits. So now my final conclusion and verdict on Buzzious review. Guys, thanks a lot for checking out my Buzzious review video till the end. This is all about the newly launched viral news site builder and curated content creation software called Buzzious. Buzzious is the most amazing and trending news site builder software which will be very helpful for making fully optimized and fully monetized viral sites within few clicks, which will lead to generate huge traffic, engagement and profits overnight. I would like to recommend this tool especially for newbie students, affiliate marketers and others who are looking for a passive income sources without doing any major investment. So what are you waiting for? Grab this tool now from the first link in the description and be an owner of $1000 premium bonus package too. Well, thanks for watching till the end, and also I hope that this review video had helped you to make a wise decision, and I hope you had made your decision to buy this product now. So click on the first link in the description and buy this product and also get your huge bonuses, which are as follows. So grab your product now, and thanks for watching. Meet you in the next review video. Until then, goodbye and take care.